So we have this interesting looking graph here, and we're told that it shows the price of a movie ticket in dollars as a function of a person's age in years. And what I want us to do is think about what this graph is telling us about how this theater charges people. So when you are just born, you're 0 years old, all the way through 2 years old, all the way up to, but not including, it looks like halfway between 2 and 4, which is at 3. So it looks at right at 3 years old, they start charging you. And how much do they start charging you? They are charging you $8 when you were 3 years old. So for example, if I had a 1-year-old, if this is your age, let me write it this way. Make a little table here. If you have your age, and then if you said this is the cost of the movie ticket, if your age is 1 year old, we're assuming this is in years, then you're going to go for free. And actually that would be true anywhere from 0 up to, but not including 3 years old. So if it's right before your 3rd birthday, you could still get in for free, but right on your 3rd birthday, officially, I don't know if your parents are going to tell the truth, but officially they would now charge you $8. So as soon as you turn 3, you're going to be charged $8. And that's going to be true all the way until it looks like your 13th birthday. At your 13th birthday, it looks like there's another step up. And so if you're 13 plus, you're going to be charged $14 to get into that movie. And that's going to be no matter how old you are, above and beyond that. People will sometimes call this a piecewise defined function. It's defined in pieces here. So you could say, all right, from 0 up to, but not including 3 years old, it's free. From 3 years old up to, but not including 13, it's $8. And then from 13 all the way to however old you are, you're going to be paying $14 to see that movie.